Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, June 25, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, June 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 25, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, June 25, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 81 million pesos for June 25, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, June 25, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.